Ang pag-aaralan natin ngayon ay quadratic equations by extracting square roots. So, ngayon, we will read the instruction. Solve the following quadratic equations by extracting square roots. So, we have our number 1, x squared is equal to 16. Then, just take the square root. No? Take the square root, take the square root. So, our x will become positive, negative 4. Yan. So, then next natin, si t squared is equal to 81. So, again, extract mo lang yung kanyang square root. So, our t is equal to positive, negative 9. For number 3, we have r squared minus 100. So that becomes, transpose lang natin yung negative 100. No? Transpose natin yan. So, we have r squared is equal to 100. So, from negative 100, it becomes positive 100. Then, we can now square root. Then, we have r is equal to positive negative 10. So, ganun lang ulit dito sa number 4 natin. X squared is equal to transpose. From negative 144, magiging na siyang positive 144. So, by extracting square root, so our x becomes positive negative 12. So, sa number 5, so we have 2s squared is equal to 50. So, divide both sides by 2. Ayan. Then, s squared natin is equal to 25. So, para mawala si squared natin, so extract ulit natin si square root. Ayan. Then, s will become positive negative 5. So, sa 6 tayo. So, dito naman tayo sa number 6. We have 4x squared minus 225 is equal to 0. So, transpose lang natin si negative 225. So, becomes positive 225. Then, divide both sides. Divide lang natin both sides by 4. So, we have x squared is equal to 225 all over 4. We can now extract the square root. Then, x will become positive negative 15 all over 2. Ito naman tayo sa number 7. We have 3h squared minus 147 is equal to 0. Transpose lang ulit natin. So, we will have 3h squared is equal to 147. Divide 3, divide 3. So, we will have h squared is equal to, divide lang natin yan, that is 49. So, take the square root, h will become positive negative 7. And then, this time, meron naman tayong, so, we have the quantity x minus 4, the squared is equal to 169. So, extract natin square root. So, we will have x minus 4 is equal to positive negative 13. Paghiwalayin lang natin yan. So, x minus 4 is equal to 13. At yung isa naman is equal to negative 13. So, transpose the negative 4. So, it becomes positive 4. Then, ganun din dito. So, 13 plus 4 is 17. Dito naman is negative 9. So, these two our answer. So, dito naman tayo sa 9 and 10. Yan. So, again, we have the quantity k plus 7 squared equal to 289. Then, square root, we have k plus 7 is equal to positive negative 17. Kaya, then, paghiwalin mo lang siya, so we have k plus 7 is equal to 17 and k plus 7 is equal to negative 17. So, 17 from positive 7, transpose, magiging na siyang negative 7. So, dito din, transpose lang natin siya. So, we will have negative 7. So, we have k. So, 17 minus 7 is 10. Then, dito naman is negative 24. So, these two will be our answer. So, last, our number 10. So, sige nga, i-comment nyo nga kung ano yung magiging sagot ninyo dito sa ating number 10. So, yan yung ating topic na solving quadratic equations by extracting square roots.